Hi students, now come back to the grammar class. Now we are going to learn a new topic, that is chapter 7, the noun number. The noun number. I am sure that you have learned already in the previous class what is noun. Will you tell me? Right. The noun is the name of a person, place or thing is called noun. Now our chapter is coming the noun number. Here there are two numbers. First is singular number and the second is plural. See what is called singular. I have brought a leaf. In singular, a leaf, and in plural, leaves more than one, that is called plural. And a pen, in singular, a pen, and the plural, pens. In the same way, a book, and in plural, books, right? Yes. When the one stands for one, we call singular, and more than one we call plural. So when we speak, what is singular number? When we speak about one person, one thing, one animal, we use the noun in singular. Okay? For example, a man was throwing a stone at a frog. A man was throwing a stone at a frog. In this sentence, we have used a man, a frog, a stones. We use this sentence in singular form. And in the same way, plural. In plural, when we speak about more than one person, one thing, one animal, we use the noun in plural form. For example, some men were throwing stones at frogs. Some men were throwing stones at frogs. Here the plural is used, men. Some men, men, men. Stones and frogs. So in this sentence, the noun is used in plural number. Students, I have made how to form the plural. How to form the plural? I have made some important form or the rule. See in this, how to form the plural. The first is most noun from their plurals by adding simple s in the end. Singular and here plural. Okay. Cake, cakes. Door, doors. Egg, eggs. Face, face. And the second is nouns that end in ch, s, double s and x. For their plurals by adding es to the singular. Okay, these are the sentence where ends ending will be ch, s, double s or x, where we are adding es to the singular and here is plural. So bench, benches, church, churches, bus, buses, dish, dishes, class, classes, box, boxes. Here all it is added in the plural es as we said. Nouns. Next is nouns that end consonant plus y form their plurals by changing y into ies. You have to remember this. This is very important. The nouns that ends in consonant. Now you will ask who all are the consonants. You know how many are there vowels? There are 5 vowels. Okay, then 5 vowels, rest of the number are called consonant. See here, before y there are m, b, t, r, so on. So these are ending before consonant y. So you have to remove the y and you have to add ies. Look here, army. We have to remove the y and we have to add ies. Okay, army, armies, baby, babies, city, cities, diary, diaries. So this is very important. Don't be confused when you change or when you do the exercises. And next is, note down, this also is very important, but nouns that ends in vowel plus y from their plurals by adding simple s to the singular. Okay, here in the vowel ends, after vowel y ends, but in this no need removing, just you have to add s. Boy, boys, key, keys, monkey, monkeys, toy, toys. So we have added, these are the vowel, after vowel the end, after that y comes. So we have to add only simple s. Next, nouns that ends in f or fe form their plurals by changing f or fe into ves. This also is very important. Okay, f or fe comes, you have to change into ves. Okay, see here, cuff ending f. So we have to remove the f and we have to add ves. Cuff, cuffs, half, halves, leaf, leaves, thief, thieves, knife, knives. The next is, but comes a singular noun that ends in f or fe forms their plurals by adding only s in the end. Here just opposite. If like that, if comes, then we have to, in this form we have to add only s. Chief, chiefs, roof, roofs, hope, hopes. Only here just adding s, nothing else. You have to remember. Some singular nouns that ends in double o forms their plurals by adding s in the end. And singular, remember here double o, it in these words ends with double o, so adding only simple s. Shoe, shoes, bamboo, bamboos. These are the only two example I have given. And the next is some singular nouns that end single o, their plurals by adding es in the end. In singular o, single o, we are ending that words here, adding only what? Es. Okay. So example, hero, heroes, added es. Mango, mangoes. Potato, potatoes. These are the main points to form the plural. And students, you remember the importance thing is that some plural always stands in plural. Okay, that things are scissors, spectacles, and some pin cares. These are, you have to remember, they are always stands in plural form. Thank you.